Frost has pulled the cedar post a finger's width aside. The gate is leaning heavy where the winter shadows hide. I pack the mallet in my coat, the wire and the coil, to walk the line where meadow grass meets the darker soil. It's the same 3 miles I traveled when the autumn leaves were red. Now the green is waking slowly in the sleepy garden bed. And it's stone for stone and hand to wood, what the season broke, the heart makes good. A little mend, a little rest, the path is worn, the home is blessed. Round and round the seasons go, steady as the waters flow. There's a notch upon the corner pole my father's father made. I run my thumb across the grain within the dappled shade. It's smooth as river pebbles now, worn by sun and rain. A long and quiet history of holding back the grain. I don't mind the labor, and I don't mind the time. There's a comfort in the rhythm of the chores that all are mine. The wild briar reaches from the woods to claim the clover field, but the boundary is a promise that the heavy winters yield. One more staple in the oak, one more turning of the key. The fence is holding up the world, and it's holding up me. And it's stone for stone and hand to wood, what the season broke, the heart makes good. A little mend, a little rest, the path is worn, the home is blessed. Round and round the seasons go, steady as the waters flow. Walking back the way I came, the hill is high, the path the same. The kettle's singing on the grate, the latch is firm upon the gate.